Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, we will show you how to exactly create a kissing video like this, and it's now trending topic on India. So I'm exactly going to show you how you can create this type of image to kissing video. It's absolutely for free. If you are have own image, this is really good. But don't worry if you don't have collect from the different places. Actual purpose I upload this image from Lexica dot AI. Here are the lots of option for creating AI image. You can now generate an image and download from here, then just upload here. Then I'm writing hug each others and kissing. Then just click on this menu 30, and keep in mind when you join this website you got every day 100 credits. I think it's enough for you for generate video, because you are able to generate 3 video per day and it costs 90 points. So just click on this here, and it's already working right now. Man, I need to wait few minutes, at least 1 or 2 minutes for done. It's already working here right now. I'm come back as soon as possible. Wow, you can see these video are really good and awesome. I'm really surprised with the result. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel